Sailing into Lombok Island. There's Catalpa. Hey guys. Our neighbours on the water. So look at the spoon on the... She's cut the spoon on the side, so we just have to rip it off. And we've got our little spoon to scoop out the flesh.
So this is Sanggigi town in Lombok, and I think the earthquake was a month ago, and this is the damage. They've started rebuilding over there. There's lots of damage.
And it's 2 hours.
Fair bit of damage in this one. All the boys are in there working.
These scooters for a really cheap price because we're the first customers he's had since the big earthquake, which is over a month ago. And the whole town is just so quiet. There's a lot of shops that aren't open. A lot of people just are running, obviously haven't got much money, so they're just trying to sell you whatever they have for a cheap price. We've seen a fair bit of damage from the earthquake around this area, and this area is about 2 hours away from where it actually hit the worst. We're going for a little cruise, and yeah, it's pretty messy. Yeah, pretty sad. So people are living in tents here because their homes have just absolutely been destroyed. A lot of people, even though there's a fair bit of their house left, a lot of people are just way too scared to sleep in their house, so they're sleeping in tents anyway, just waiting for the next earthquake. Spoke to yesterday with a local. They said they have no water and they have to get it from the closest village, which is an hour from them. So they have no water where they are, but they need it to rain to fill up the creeks, and now it's raining. So good. Hey. Rain clouds. Hopefully it's raining over that side.
Wet steel, no deal.
Yeah. Oi. Oh, good boy. He doesn't. Yeah, this one looks okay. I'm going to try it. You're a happy boy. So true. Yeah. These two.
We're just watching the Matahari Tenggelam. Means sunset. Bahasa. Now eat with your spork, Lana. Show us your spork. Hello.
What is it? What are you doing in my home? Mamma mia! Mom is broken. Fuck you! You piece of shit! Yeah! Oh! 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 Oh!
We have arrived in the Gili Islands, Gili T, which is one of the main islands, and it is very damaged from the earthquake. Just on a mooring board. And yeah, you're going to see along the shoreline it's so damaged. It's still like a heap of people coming in, it's still busy. All this diving on the mooring board. So we're going to tie this rope up because boats keep going past and nearly hooking it, and we don't want them to bloody hook it and then swing into our boat. Gili T looks like an absolute mess. So that jetty got destroyed in the earthquake, and they've built this.
I like the goat.
Alex, your goat?
He thinks he's a dog, eh?
So we just signed up to do our Paddy's course. Yeah, and it begins. We're doing the video at the moment. Study time.
Hey man.
I get rid of this that easy.
So we just got back from our dive. They end up changing the dive site last minute. So the area that we were meant to be going to apparently is no good when it's a bit rough seas. So we end up going to Manta Point, which there's no manta rays there, and it's pretty dead coral. Yeah, a couple of turtles, and yeah, it wasn't the greatest dive, but it was still beautiful. We're also a little bit bummed because we had a wooden boat hit us the other day and it's cracked the window a little bit, and it's taken a chunk of fiberglass off the front of the port hull. So yeah, it's pretty shitty because they're so close to all these little boats. Like one this morning, we woke up that one and it was literally hitting the back of the starboard hull. So yeah, I don't think we're going to get much sleep. We'll just be on edge all night again. Not a fan of these moorings. They put them way too close to each other.
So we're on a mooring.
In the Gili Tees.
Pretty close to this boat. That's us there. That's us there. That's there.
And then we've got this little boat, which, yeah, I think
That's
a little bit tinier, so we should be right. But if we get our full swing on and we hit bums of this one, got a bit on. But thank God the
pretty
party
sure
on land is keeping us awake. It's getting us in the groove. But yeah, so we have a sleepless night, you know, used to it on Paradise.
Standard.
Just staying awake, making sure no boats hit us, you know.
For me anyway.
Ollie's good at it. I pretend.
Lana's good at sleeping.
Take one for the team, don't I? Bloody mooring buoys that are too close together. This boat, which was, it looked like it was a good distance away, is now up our rear end. This is the one that did hit us this morning. We were in bed and we woke up to a thump, and yeah, this blue boat was hit smack in the back of the starboard side.
So we just come out to check the boat, and these moorings are so close, and this boat swings so far. He was wrapped around that one before, and then he was over near that one, and now we come into ours for a look. And we can't anchor anywhere here because it's all bio reef underneath, so they've made all big mesh reefs and stuff and cable tied reef onto it to make it grow.
Which is amazing.
Yeah, it's really good. We went scuba diving on it the other day and it was cool.
But yeah, it just makes it hard when you've got shit mooring buoys and you can't anchor and you've got to stay awake all night bending your boat from wooden boats smashing it. So that boat's creeping back over. Ollie's got the fenders ready, but we're just going to put them on for the night.